The Peak to Prosperity passage of the Palmetto Trail is a scenic section that stretches approximately 7.5 miles. It runs between Peak and Prosperity, South Carolina, follows the old railroad bed of the former Charleston and Western Carolina Railway. One of the highlights of this section of the Palmetto Trail is the impressive Broad River Railroad trestle. This is a historic structure that was built in the late 1800s and offers a picturesque view of the river below. The trail transverses through lush forests and open areas, providing a pleasant and relatively easy outdoor experience for those that live in the area. The trail is very well maintained. It's mostly flat and smooth and very suitable for hiking and mountain biking. We began our hike from the Alston Trailhead section of the Palmetto Trail. It's located off Highway 213. That is southwest of Jenkinsville and east of Palmyra and Little Mountain. This trailhead does have some conveniences. There's plenty of places to park. There's picnic tables here. There are even campsites here. Here in South Carolina, we're creeping into fall, so pretty soon these leaves are going to start to change, and this is a very pretty place in the fall. So in addition to the Palmetto Trail and this segment of it, there are numerous places down in Columbia that are off a waterway where you can get out and get some exercise, walk, mountain bike. But down off the Congaree River, Saluda River, there's greenways down in Columbia that have some very nice scenic areas where you can walk around. So get out, get active, and have some fun. Enjoy some sunshine and get some vitamin D.